I think I should not record, but then I'll think I'll be missing a day if I don't record for the memories of the future. This is Abhinandan here. Okay, so today is 26th December 2025. Yesterday was very good day. 24th December was a miracle day. Okay, so now I'm coming at 8:30. For morning I was sitting and working, doing a lot of things. So this is about less than 5 minutes walk from my place, the historic place. So yesterday I told some lot of people to take my photos. So people took my photos. I put them on this Facebook. So I thought, anyhow, let me come, let me record for a few minutes, then sit down with some place. Abhinandan here. Okay, had a nice hair dye to look little younger. And where should I go? Let me go this side. People tell me don't take out your mobile, but I take it out. Okay. So yesterday I met some few people. I met one auditor lady. I used my technique of seducing their brain. I do a mindset tuning. Okay, there's a trick to do mindset tuning. Shall I go here? Let me see here. That side also a lot of shops are there. A lot of videos I do, but I don't upload many. Okay. So I am talking to someone of this kind of booth who speaks English to have the coordination to meet all these people and give them a free website if they join with $55 business. $55 business. Okay. So the big crowd here, small place. So I just see what these things are. And sometime you'll meet some good people. After this, let me go to another place. And then so today is already 26th, 27th. A lot of people read this book called Atomic Habit. You are reading it? You speak English?
No.
No English. Which is your favorite book? Don't understand? Okay.
No la entiendo.
No itando.
No.
No
Español.
itando.
Español.
Okay. I learned a word itando.
No, español. Yo no hablo inglés.
Only Spanish. Very good. Okay. So this is a very powerful book. You have to read this, Selva Mind Control. Sometimes some best people are met here. Okay. In bookstores. But that is a problem. So, you know what? People don't know English and I want to conduct free English class. Okay, marketing, very good book. Okay. So I'm writing to an institute. If they arrange a visa for me, I will teach free English and free what to say, free web designing course. And I'll only get the students for them. And they don't have a website, big institute. Lot of opportunities are there, but I don't want to do donkey work. I want to do some smart work and create value. This is only my evening walk. You know why? Because you're only sitting in front of a laptop, your head will start paining. So come out for a fresh air. Sometime I'll meet nice people. If I take out the mobile and start talking, I'll meet some nice people. So this is a very crowded area. You understand English? Take this. This side.
Gracias.
Yeah, read. Okay. So I'll have my slips ready now. Spanish slips. This slip, I don't know why people are standing here. This slip is make 2026 a great year. 6 kind of slips I have printed, all Spanish. And for my luck, the printer, it's because I told I won't pay you the money. I spoke to 12 printers. See, the pretty lady, my crush, is coming here. In my yesterday video also there, I want to talk to her. She's so pretty, hard-working. She carries and sells like this. I like hard-working ladies, not lazy people. Unfortunately, I get only lazy people. She's very hard. She's going there. She's my crush. Yesterday also she came accidentally. So today also. I'll talk to her. I've not spoken to her. Every time when I'm recording, she comes in front of me. Later, I'm not able to track her. I want to meet her, take her number, and tell her, I'll show you a better way how you can earn money. Be open-minded. So this is the baby Christ. These are the three guys who came from the east. So people come here and take photos. So I won't take much time because I've already taken my photos. So from there to here, I will go around. So by 5 o'clock, when it is not too dark, it will be more nice. But I hope it is nice even now also. Let me go like this and go to the back side. Other people also holding mobile like me. So I am little confident no one will snatch and run away. Anyhow, I sit like this in some benches, and sometimes you get nice people coming and sitting next to you. And I know the structure. I know the structure how to have a conversation. I use my conversation starter, and yet every time it won't be successful. Maybe 1 out of 3 times, and everywhere they sit and play chess like this. In India, where they play, there are a lot of tables. There is, here it is, here it is. Serious people keep playing. Chess is intelligent people playing. Okay. Anyhow, it's a nice, fresh, cool air. It will be about 20 degrees. Okay. Nice weather, and I yesterday did a lot of recordings. Coffee is like our India coffee house. Okay, so anyhow, how are you? How are you? Okay, I gave you this. Yeah, WhatsApp me. Yeah, please. Okay. She's a Batwoman. I'm slowly building rapport. She's very tall, very tall. I've given her my prospecting card, but people are busy. They'll be broke. They take earning very small money. People who are earning $150, working 12 hours per day, are more busy. People paying $150 here. Pretty girls in a showroom, in a fragrance showroom, Lakme or Revlon showroom, they'll be getting $150, $170 per month. But they are more busy. Okay. So I'm recording like a general talk, and so I have 4 types of prospecting slip. Now I'll go meet my yesterday author, whether he's still there. Okay, let me pass through this place, or let me talk while I'm going. So if at all you're watching this on YouTube, okay, and if at all you have a dream, a goal that you love to travel and you love to make money smartly, not in a job, not in a traditional business, okay, in a business, I'm using the word business. Don't be stupid people like Indian people will ask, what is my work I have to do? What is my job? They will respond. These North Indian guys. I told, wherever told I will give you a job. Then they don't talk. Okay. So, see, this was built in 1605. I think this Spanish people came in 1565 or something here and established in this place. So, what I'm saying is, I'm a very blunt person but very honest. There's no one honest. Your left hand may not be honest with your right hand, but Abhinandan will be very honest. Okay? Very good. All these are Spanish books. See, Tony Robbins. This was one of my first book. Unlimited Power. If it is Unlimited Power or Awaken the Giant, I do not know what it is. Okay, these two names are same. Dinero. It must be power then. Okay. So, you know what? So they'll have like this.
Sí. Si quieres sacarle.
Okay, baby Christ.
Yeah.
Everyone in a basket here.
Yeah.
I'm from India. I saw like this. Everyone having in a basket cradle. You speak English? No English? Okay. Nice. Okay, thank you. So, like this, all these kind of shops, they're all going to get a website after I qualify them. Okay, that's why I printed this slip. One of the slip says, see, the slip says, one slip is about, 1 second. This slip is about if I give you a free website. So let me go see my person who spoke good English. Is he there or not? Okay, I can go like this also. And let me make a 20 minutes recording. And then I can talk to someone after I stop making the recording. So now, last time I met here only silver. These are all silver and money they have kept like this. Is that real money? It's not real.
It was real.
Oh, was real?
Like long ago.
Oh, long ago. Oh, Bolivian currency. You speak English? Okay. I'm from India visiting here. I want to give you a small slip. You read it. Read both this side. What do you do?
I'm with my friends here.
Okay, now what do you work or you?
I'm studying.
Okay. Read that in your free time.
Okay, I'm gonna
Okay, thank you very much. So there are coins like this. They have old notes. No one will take it like this. Okay. She was a good-looking, tall, very bulky. But she told she's studying. I did not talk much. Sometimes you should know. This is the word I like, where good times flow. Do you want good times to flow? These people are blocking. Where good times flow. If you want in 2026 good times to flow, you have to speak to Abhinandan. Really. And listen and visit the website and watch the video. People will never will say they are busy and they won't be making money. Okay? They say they are very busy but broke. Okay, now I've created this slip for this kind of people only, but I won't give it. I am catching someone who will do the work for me Okay. So a lot of crowded area. One routine I do, and then I go back. Let me just have the patience to let me go through this traffic jam. Okay. So you should have a prospecting slip. That's very good. You will never know 1 out of 10, not everyone. There are some stupid people will ask how many people will contact. A big multinational company also puts an advertisement out of millions of advertisement which comes on TV, millions of people viewing it. Only few thousands may contact them and buy the product. Okay, so if I give it to 20 people, one respond, you'll never know who's a potential. All the people who are my friends right now, they're all people who one time came in through a newspaper flyer or an advertisement. Okay, so I will go and meet my person, whether he's still there. I will tell him I visited your website. He's there. This side also books are there. Hello, sir.
Hello.
I visited your website.
Sorry,
I visited your website.
not yet.
I'll-
Not yet. I've been kind of busy.
No, I visited your
You
website.
did?
Yeah,
How do you saw it?
yeah. I took that photo. No, the
It is not in the books right now.
no, backside it was there. Yesterday I had taken a photo of it.
Okay.
I visited the Alfred Rodriguez
Second-
author.
Exactly.
Correct, no?
Oh,
So
thanks a
I converted it to English.
I will try to translate it this year. Next year. I will.
No, it just translated automatically.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Yeah, and I read it. It was interesting. I want to talk to you later. When will you be free? When can we meet for a cup of coffee?
Earlier. I mean, maybe kind of 3 o'clock.
Here only?
Yeah.
You'll be by 3 o'clock tomorrow?
Tomorrow until January 1st.
Until January. So I'll come tomorrow at 3 o'clock and meet you.
Okay.
But what I'll do is I'll WhatsApp you today. WhatsApp you. Be open-minded. Have a look at it.
Yeah.
We can help to change people's life. You are an author. I'm a speaker.
Okay.
I like to be author, but I don't have that, that gift. You have the gift of writing. I have the gift of speaking.
Okay.
Okay, so anyhow, what we will do is tomorrow I will come, I'll take your WhatsApp number. I want to share something with you and I want to talk to you about how we can collaborate.
Sure.
Okay, let me have your WhatsApp number. Let me disconnect right now. I'm with Mr. Alfred Rodriguez.
Alfredo Rodriguez, exactly.
Alfredo Rodriguez, I met him yesterday. He's there on the yesterday's video. Today's video I'm there. He's author of a lot of good books, even student.
Yeah.
Introduce once again about yourself in English, sir. In English, you introduce yourself once again.
To do what? To do what?
You introduce yourself once again in English.
Okay, my name is Alfredo Rodriguez and I'm a Bolivian author. I live in Santa Cruz de la Sierra. I write for young people some poetry and some stories also. I wish you can visit my website. This is alfredorodriguezautor.com.
Very good.
I'll be waiting for you.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. So let
Thank
me
you.
take your number right now and let us discuss something.
Sure.
Okay.